I don't know where I'm gonna go when the volcano blows. Unrelated, awkward segue. A geomagnetic storm is underway now. That's right. A moderately strong G2 class is underway on April 14th in response to an apparent arrival of a dead sunspot coronal mass ejection. And so, if you are feeling mood swings or seeing aurora in your area, there's a reason for that. It's because that red line beat KP6 in. And so, yeah, we'll be on the lookout for earthquakes, auroras, volcanoes, and fires, because it's fire season. And then I'll be acting weird, you'll be acting weird, everybody will be acting weird. And then we had a backside eruption. Yeah, go ahead and make your own jokes at home. That one seems too easy. Yep, so the sun has stayed active. Or you could call it a far side explosion for less juvenile jokes. Although the far side was a good comic strip. The earth side of the sun is quiet. All the action is on the far side. For the third time this week, Soho has detected a significant far side coronal mass ejection. So when the sun acts weird, I act weird, you act weird, weather goes crazy, and then pets start talking in English. Now I made up that last part because I'm telling jokes here. Oh yeah, my mid-month pre-Easter April fundraiser THORnews continues with only $578 left to raise. I definitely don't have enough money to go home, see my mama, but will I have enough money to go to the ocean sometime this week? I hope so. If you'd like to make a contribution, I got a mailbox, PayPal, Venmo, CashApp, Patron, and nothing but love for y'all. Okay, let's talk about stuff. Shit is on fire. Shit is on fire. Shit is on fire. Authorities urge thousands of California residents to evacuate and thousands more to stay in their homes after a massive fire broke out at a food processing plant in Salinas on Wednesday. You got critical fire weather here, windy here, blizzardy here. And it is officially day 50 of Russia being like, don't make me nuke you. Russia warns of potential nuclear escalation should Sweden and Finland join NATO. So yeah, do your best to avoid World War III on the Thursday before Easter. Praying helps. Thinking good thoughts, I think helps, because the whole positive manifestation thingy. All right. Yeah, I don't, it's weird to have Easter and then to have Russia dropping thousands of missiles in Ukraine and invading. But hey, you can have your own opinion. Okay, great. Hey, at 5:05 Texas time, PM, Mars will go into Pisces, and we'll see if there is an energetic shift. Although my transit calendar says I personally will be super stressed out about my future and my own finances on the 14th, the 15th, and the 16th. And so if you would like to relieve some of my personal stress, you know how to do it. These are crazy days, dude. I've lost my mind. All right, here, but we're looking at mixed precipitation over the next 48 hours. That's a weird little hole in the rain. Yeah, I mean, so we'll still be getting precipitation, but compared to the last few days with the tornadoes and the giant 6-inch hail, should be relatively calmer, asterisk. Although, hey, West Coast, you guys will be getting a whole lot of rain lately. I didn't mean to say lately. I meant to say soon. Oh, and it's about to be eclipse season, which is always wild. At the end of the month, we get a partial solar eclipse. We are only 10 eclipses away from the April 8th, 2024 total solar eclipse. Speaking of Easter, asterisk, also known as He is Risen Day, also known as Resurrection Day, AccuWeather letting snow, rain, and snow showers are forecast for the Easter weekend, but an even bigger storm looms in the days following the holiday. Forecasters say some locations could see 4 to 8 inches of snow. And remember, like, we are getting a major stormy pattern pretty much every Monday through Thursday, and so that pattern may reload next week. Have I mentioned the geomagnetic storm? All right, then. Have I mentioned the fancy far side activity? Okay, so we have 2 sunspots in the sun right now. We avoided a sunspotless period, which shows the signs of strength for solar cycle 25. Old active region 2975, which was the X-class flare popping one, and companies still appear to be active. A nice coronal mass ejection is seen leaving the sun following an eruption, April 13th, yesterday. And so, yeah, interesting times. What will the sun do next? Nobody knows. Northern California is expected to get hit by 3 separate storms over the next week, delivering significant amounts of precipitation. Wettest mountain locations will see over half a foot of liquid. This will delay an extremely early start to fire season. A bit of an April miracle. So yes, you'll be getting an April miracle, hopefully, California. Gosh knows you guys could use the rain. Do you like pina coladas? Actually, I prefer strawberry daiquiris, but those are damn expensive. Who knows? Maybe I'll be crazy enough to go live with y'all later tonight. If we're lucky. I hope I have something interesting to say. These look cool. That's why I'm showing them to you. Forgive me if I'm acting too cheesy. Europe is having a cheese supply shortage, but America's stepping in and giving them all the American cheese they can handle. Yep, it does look like you got triple storm action heading into California and I guess parts of Oregon, Washington, and maybe even Canada. Look at that. Beautiful, magnificent. Just like you, Asteroid Fight Club. Oh, and we're tracking the April hurricane. Yeah, it looks like there's going to spin up a hurricane in the Atlantic, though it doesn't look like it's going to hit the land. But I definitely believe that would fit the definition of a hurricane right there, or somewhere. Watch. Right about... Oh, I missed it. Anyway, we are watching for a potential spin up, letting us know right there. Whee! Keep showing like a hurricane in the Atlantic Ocean, but no danger to anyone. Be a fish storm, but it's just a reminder. The hurricane season's right around the corner, buddies. All right, here we are watching the projected next 16 days of possible storms in the United States of the United States. Man. And so, we might be getting another 3-day severe weather period starting Monday or Tuesday. Yeah, look at that hurricane thingy. Yeah, and so you should get a weekend of decent weather, except if you're in those spots that are going to be getting hit by storms. And then we'll probably do it all over again. But, West Coast, you guys are going to be getting wave after wave, although nothing too severe. And we will be on the lookout for severe weather next week. As it is April, it is super stormy season. All right, so everybody stay cool. I love and appreciate y'all, and I hope you have a super duper, absolutely fantastic Easter weekend. All right. Okay, and if you want to, that would be super cool. Relieve my stress a little as I super duper work hard for y'all. All right, God bless everyone. Stay cool.